Are you like me and when you launch the Claude setup to executable, you get this scary message? I'm gonna show you 3 different ways that you can bypass this, going from less secure to more secure. Spoiler alert, I recommend the last way. So the first one is simply just following along with the instructions and just going and enabling developer mode here. It's super easy, but it is super scary. It's a system-wide policy that allows all side loading and also unsigned loose file execution. So what does that mean in English? Well, I mean, essentially there's 2 parts. So there's side loading, which means loading an application that's not in the Windows Store. I don't know about you, but I rarely install anything from the Windows Store. So most apps are side loaded, but they're still signed and secured by a trusted source, so they can't be tampered with. Now, the other part though is the unsigned and loose files, which is just sketchy files that generally have viruses in them. So by enabling developer mode, you're flipping the switch when your whole system that says you can install side-loaded apps and then any random app, it's not good. Don't do it. The second way is by going into your registry by using the start button and typing regedit. Or if you're super cool, you hit Windows R, which brings up the run prompt, and you type regedit. Same thing, and just one's cool. Load up your registry. It'll ask yes if you wanted to load it. Now, before you make any changes in your registry, I highly recommend you make a backup. So go to File, Export, and just type in registry backup. I don't know, whatever you want. Throw it just somewhere, as long as you know where you can find it again, at least you've made a backup. Now that you've done that, you have to click through to a couple different folders. I'll put instructions in the description down below. H key, local machine, software, scroll down to Microsoft, and then Windows. It's down here somewhere. Windows, current version, and then you're looking for AppModelUnlock. Okay, when you find that folder, you'll see Allow Trusted Apps there. If you double click on it, it opens up this little thing. Just change this 0 to a 1, hit OK, bingo, bango, boom. That's it, you're done. You can go back, double click, and it starts. So what's different with that over enabling developer mode? Well, this just changes the computer so that you can install all side-loaded apps, which, as I said before, it's pretty much okay, but at least you're still locking things down from all the untrusted ones. So it's like half not as bad, but still not great. The last method here is by far the most secure, the one I recommend. But it's a 2-parter, so pull up your pants. Okay, first part is you have to download a different Claude installer, which comes directly from Claude, but it's designed for packaging up to Claude to send over across a large network. Use this link here. I'll put a description down below. When you click on it, it'll download a file here called Claude.msix. And you can either just go find that on your computer. Here it is here. Give it a double click, and it will launch this fancy little installer window that you've probably never seen before that warns you that installing this package requires administrator privileges. Cool, all installers do. If you click this here, restart as administrator, it will prompt you. You say, yes, I want to do the app installer. It then reloads that same window, but now it has the install button. Click the install button, goes across, and that's it. Shit done. You're now in Claude. So what was different about that method is that we explicitly gave your computer access to that one install file, saying, yeah, it's cool to sideload it, no problem. I know it came from a trusted source, it's good. Versus telling your computer with the registry edit that you can allow all sideloaded apps. So definitely the best way. Drop me a like if you learned something. If this video helped get past the scary message and allows you into Claude, please drop me a comment. Let me know which method you ended up doing, and follow for more AI tips and tricks. So have fun in Claude, and I'll see you on the next one.